Welcome to Melbourne AMEP's Volunteer Tutor Scheme. My name is Elspeth Colley and I'm the Volunteer Tutor Scheme Trainer Coordinator. We hope that you will find the training course enjoyable and useful for your tutoring. The online material will take approximately 8 hours to cover. The remaining 7 hours of the 15-hour training program will be delivered face-to-face at a campus. You should already have been booked into a face-to-face session, but if you haven't yet, please contact the VTS office. In order to start tutoring, you'll need to complete all the activities in the online course as well as the face-to-face Saturday session. We suggest that you complete the online modules in order, starting with the Welcome module, which contains information about what your tutoring role will involve. The aim of the training course is to give you greater knowledge of settling into a new culture, understand aspects of cross-cultural awareness, think through how you will work with adult learners, starting from the learner's needs and interests, learn how to plan relevant English lessons, find out how to access materials to use for tutoring, including online resources, and look at some ways to teach reading, writing, listening and speaking. If you have any questions about the training course, please call me on 9269 1368.
Okay, thanks for that, Elspeth. My name is Finn and I've set up this Moodle site for you, and I'm now going to show you how to navigate around it. You've got this far, so you're already into Moodle, that's great. The general setup is, this is the main page, and on the left hand side we have the contents, welcome, where this video was, module 1, 2 and 3, staff contact details and your personal VTS blog. The VTS blog, that's a personal blog that you'll be asked to write in sometimes to respond to questions and learning, and it's personal, so other students can't see it or comment on it, but your trainers can. So you're in the welcome now. Let's have a bit more of a look at that. The welcome video will be here when it's finished, and here you have 3 chapters of the module. It's important to click on each one sequentially, and then you may need to look at the fit to work process, and you will need to look at your VTS rights and VTS position description. You just put your cursor on there until you see the finger pointer, click on that and it will open in a new tab. And then you can read your document and you can save it if you like, or close it, and your tab comes back to here. There is a quiz to do. It's not difficult, it's just to make sure you know what you're doing. Once you've done that, there is your first blog task to do. To get to the blog where you see the task icon, put your cursor onto the word blog and you'll see the pointer comes up, which means the blog is going to open in a new tab for you there. I've got a few things in the blog already, but an easy way to do what you need to do here is to hit new blog post, and because it came up in a new tab we can go back to the Moodle site and think, what is it I had to do? Oh, I have to call this welcome blog and copy and paste these 3 questions. So just highlight, copy, go back to this tab here, Control V, and this was called welcome. Now we've pasted the questions in there, we can just start a new line and start to write your answer here. Easy. Once you've done this, you can then go down and hit Add Post. There is one section towards the end where you're asked to add something as a file to your blog. You do that by just going down to here. You can drag and drop your file there. Once you've done what you need to do there, you can hit Add Post. That'll publish to your blog. Here's what I wrote. And we're good to go. You can then read all your blogs. They all appear in the one-page view there. So to get back to the course, because we want to continue, we could either close this or we could just hit that tab and we're back. Now you will see there's a little arrow at the bottom here that will take you on to the next module. I don't really like that. I always prefer to go up to here to the contents and go back to there. It's better to come back to the contents page because there could be things you could miss, such as in module 3. After the chapters, we have some interactive content, and unfortunately you don't get to see that if you only navigate via the right hand corner arrow. So make it your habit to look here, and whenever you are in a part of the Moodle site and you want to return to look at the content, so let's just imagine that we're here in chapter 2 of module 3. We are looking at this and we think, oh, hang on, I think I want to go back. Say you want to make a blog post. What you do is you go to the title bar here, click that, and just be patient. Your browser might be a little bit slow, and that will always take you back here. You can get to the VTS blog here at any time. You can make extra blogs if you like. That's no problem at all. In fact, that's welcome. So that's the welcome, the 3 modules and the personal blog. Anytime you want to contact the VTS staff, the details you'll need are here. This is Elspeth Colley, the VTS Trainer Coordinator, and some of the office staff here. Okay, so one last thing to show you. You'll see that progress 6 out of 7. If I go down here, I haven't done the welcome quiz yet, so that's the one thing to do before I finish that module. Let's look in module 1. Once you have looked at everything except the quiz, you can just click the greyed out tick once and it will turn to green, and then it will show that I've done what we need to do. That's a manual operation for everything except the quiz. Okay, so good luck with the course. I hope you enjoy it and see you on the other side.